Okay, so first thing you do, this is the bond. You get this one in the kit, but I just bought like, this one's supposed to be a little stronger. So you just put it underneath your lashes like very lightly. Because you don't need a lot at all. Then you take it, and then you just put it there. Oh, sorry. So sometimes I do 4 and sometimes I do 5. This is 4 and I kind of like how it looks right now, so I'm just gonna leave it. And so then you use this wand and you clamp down on it all together. Sometimes I reverse the wand and just go through. Blondie, what are you eating? Okay, so hopefully you can see. I'm looking in the mirror right now, so. Okay, so these, I put E14, E14, E12, E12. So sometimes I like the cat eye type look. Okay, now I'm gonna do the other side. The bond, just tap it along your lashes. You really don't need a lot. And sometimes you don't have the same amount on each side because your eyes are different shapes. Okay, so I always start on the outer corner, but you can start wherever works for you. See how easy it sticks on? You just touch it and it sticks. Oops, I lost one. And so you put it underneath your eye, and it's not supposed to touch your lash line. It's supposed to be like just on the lashes. It's kind of hard though. Sometimes I accidentally get it on my lash line, and when you do, it's not as comfortable because it's kind of poking you all day. And then sometimes the glue starts to stick to your bottom lashes. And usually you don't want there to be a space in between, but sometimes I let it because, I don't know. I think this looks okay. I'm gonna leave it. Clamp down. Sometimes I do this. Try to shape it how I want. And that's it. See? Super easy. Let me know if you have any questions.